Now I will be reading out our respected schools' official recognition document. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur. Orders. Imphal, the 2nd May 2026. In exercise of the powers conferred under provision of Section 13, 11 of the Manipur Higher Secondary Education Act 1992, the Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur, grants provisional permission to Conflate Academy, Humoy Village, Tuibung, for opening of arts and science groups of studies in Class 11 with the following subjects from the academic session 2026 to 2027, Vide Resolution number 1.16 of the Recognition Committee meeting held on 2nd May 2026. Common subjects: English, Alternative English, Thadokuki Email, Mar, Vaipei, Zo, Kom, Gangte, Paite, Mizo, Health and Physical Education, Geography. Science Group of Studies: Physics, Chemistry, Biology, Math, Computer Science, Human Ecology and Family Sciences. Arts Group of Studies: Economics, Political Science, History, Education, Sociology, Psychology. Further, code number PHS 1692026 is assigned to the institution. Signed by K.H. Ahsi Kumar, Secretary, Council of Higher Secondary.